This is the dreaded blinking green light on a Series 3 TiVo. This particular box has lifetime service, and so I want to see about fixing it. And looking online, I did find a way to fix it, and that is to pop off the cover and to use a blow dryer on high for a minute in a particular area and then plug it back in, and that seems to get it working again. The problem is if the power ever goes out, it go back to blinking, but I'll show you how to do it. So on the back of the unit, you'll have to remove all of the screws. You don't need to touch the ones here that have to do with the fan, but all the other screws you need to take off so that this top will slide off. Okay, so I've gone through and I've taken out all the screws that are part of the black thing. And I misspoke earlier, you do need to take out the two screws here that are for the fan, but down here you don't. And so basically now what you'll do is, now that all the screws are off, this metal cover just kind of slips off. And there's a particular area in there that you're gonna have to blow dry for a minute. So I'll pop off the cover and show that. Okay, so this is the inside of the TiVo. And you can see here's the hard drive, here's the front of the unit, there's the cable card, for example. So the area you're going to want to blow dry is this area right here. This is where you'll just concentrate the heat on there for 1 minute. So you can see right here, and it's now powering up. That shows that the unit is working. And now over here, you can see right there, getting the TiVo thing. And so now I'll put the cover back on and put the screws back on and be careful not to turn off the power. So that's all you need to do to get that annoying blinking green light to go off and to work. And as I said, this is for a Series 3 that has lifetime service, and so we want to get as much energy out of it as possible.